Hello everybody! It's me, your how-to host, and today I'm going to be teaching you about the lost art of paper airplane folding. Now, everybody knows that there are many wrong ways to make a paper airplane, and without instructions, the task seems nearly impossible. But with my help, you'll be able to make the best paper airplanes that anyone has ever seen. Alright? Let's go! Now the first thing you're going to want to do is order the paper. Oh! Now once you've got your paper, you can begin the folding process. Now you want to start by taking your one piece of paper and folding it in half long ways, like this. And when you do that, unfold it and then take the top corners and fold them into the middle. Now when you have that, fold it in such a way that this part here meets the middle so that you have something like this. And then do it on the other side. Now when you've done that, you should have something that looks like this. And when you do, fold the whole thing in half. And then when you have something like this, fold it in such a way that the top part meets the bottom, so that you should have a fold kind of like this. And then do it on the other side. Now when you have that, unfold it just a little bit like that, so that you have a basic airplane shape. And when you've done all that, take a piece of tape and put it down the middle, like that. And then you're ready to fly.